This method won't work good for all fridges that appear to be stainless steel. Some are actually a coating, so you may want to check with your manufacturer, or you can test it in an inconspicuous spot such as inside the fridge below the fridge or freezer gasket. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you. Some serious stains, or scratches, not stains. Scratches, bad. Yeah, I'll try the Sheila Shine. I don't think that'll do it, but I also have this scratch removal kit. So, here's the Sheila Shine. And there's the dry cloth. Just trying to buff it. Yeah, it did do it. Made it look nicer, but didn't get our scratches out. So I've got a couple different pads here. We've got a really rough pad, sandpaper pad, and then the final polish pad. I'll try that the final one. Oh, nice. Seem to take them out. Just wipe it with the cloth. We'll see. Oh yeah, much better. Much better. Show you a better Rejuvenate stainless steel scratch eraser kit. Well, still got some a little more stubborn ones here. Got a little more abrasive pad here. Let's try this one. And got all these different pads and then the final deal. I think that did the trick. Some right here though. It's better. It's much better. Yeah, it's not going to be perfect, but just much better. Nice. Look new. I'm happy with that. It's not all scratched up. sink again. Alright, now it's time to tackle this. Okay, so here's my kitchen sink after it's had a chance to dry. Looks like I got a few more little scratches, but I can continue on the treatment and get rid of those. Okay, now that stuff has dried a bit, I can see better the scratches that need to come out. Looks like that'll get it there. More stubborn ones are there. I might need the non-abrasive pad. It's got a Velcro deal here. We can trade out to this one. Switch back down to the lighter one. I'll kind of finish it off with that. That'll do good. Water was really the best way to go. I should have went with the polish, but still looks way better to me than those stains that were in there. At least it's much more even. Polished. Alright. It's much better. Is it perfect? No, but it's definitely much better. It's not all stained anymore. Again, that's the Rejuvenate stainless steel polishing deal. It did come with its own cutting lube. I pretty much used that the first day on the first fridge that I treated with it. Making new again, stainless steel scratch eraser kit. I don't work for them or anything, but I'll put a link in the description below. I do make a little commission on anything ordered through there, so it definitely helps the challenge, helps the channel. Yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for maintenance. It's good for the next one. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.